Welcome to the info of my Realme 9i, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go into the notification panel, and right there you'll see all the visible icons on the notification panel. Here just click on the edit icon just to add or to remove or to change the positions of these icons. And here you can see the down section with the hide icons that you can add to your device, to your top bar. So for example, we will add here the screenshot icon, hold for a while icon and drag it here to this up section. And by the same way, for example, we can add the screen recording icon, hold for a while and drag here to this up section. And now when we will go back, you can see that we just add some icons here to our notification panel. Also here we can remove some icons from here, for example the personal hotspot, hold for a while and drag to this down section. By this way we can also remove the icons, and just to change the icons positions you can hold for a while the icon and just drag it to the position where you want to change it, and then just go back to save all these changes. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.